Hey everyone, Acer has officially introduced the Nitro V16 series at IFA 2025, bringing two models to the lineup, the Nitro V16 and the Nitro V16S. These laptops are aimed at gamers and creators who want a balance of performance, portability, and modern AI-driven features. At the heart of both machines is the option for Intel's latest Core 9270H processor, paired with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU. The graphics card is built on NVIDIA's new Blackwell architecture and supports DLSS 4, neural rendering, and NVIDIA Studio tools, making the laptops equally capable for gaming and content creation. NVIDIA NIM microservices are also included, extending the hardware's AI capabilities. Acer has integrated Intel application optimization as well, which intelligently manages system resources to keep workflows smooth. The display is a key highlight of the Nitro V16. Buyers can choose a 16-inch WQXGA panel at 2560 by 1600 resolution with a 180 Hz refresh rate, 3 millisecond response time, and 100% sRGB coverage, or opt for more affordable WXGA options. These fast panels cater directly to gamers, while also delivering accurate colors for creators. Cooling is handled by a dual fan system with quad intakes and quad exhausts, a setup designed to keep temperatures under control during long gaming or rendering sessions. On the inside, configurations can go up to 32 gigs of DDR5 memory with as much as 2 terabytes of PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage. Connectivity is comprehensive, with options including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, RJ45 Ethernet, multiple USB ports, and even a micro SD card slot, making the device versatile for both gaming peripherals and creative workflows. The Nitro V16S distinguishes itself with a slimmer and lighter build. At 19.9 millimeters thick and weighing 2.1 kilograms, it is more portable than the standard Nitro V16, yet still carries the same CPU, GPU, memory, and storage options. This model also includes DTS-X Ultra Audio for immersive sound and a 4-zone RGB keyboard, giving it a stronger gaming identity. Both laptops feature a MUX switch to reduce latency in gaming, Intel Killer networking for optimized online performance, and Acer's NitroSense 5.0 software for customizable cooling management. The Nitro V16 series launches alongside Acer's refreshed Nitro desktop PCs, new Nitro monitors ranging from 4K to ultra-wide curved formats, and updated Predator gaming devices such as the Helios 18P AI laptop, Orion desktops, and the X27 UF8 OLED display. This broader lineup shows Acer's push to cover both mainstream and premium gaming markets with updated hardware and AI features. Pricing for the Nitro V16 starts at $999 in North America this October, or €1,299 in EMEA starting November. The Nitro V16S is positioned slightly higher, coming in at $1,099 in North America in November, €1,399 in EMEA, starting in September. Both models appear to offer a compelling blend of affordability, performance, and next-generation features, with the Nitro V16S being the clear choice for those who prioritize mobility without sacrificing gaming or creative power. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Have a nice day and God bless you.